Okay, for this question now we need to sketch the curve y is equal to the modulus of 2x squared minus 9x minus 5. Now, there's a couple of ways we can do this. You can either find the maximum point of the curve by using differentiation, or you can just actually complete the squares. Sorry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to complete the squares. So if, let's say, I got y is equal to 2 into x squared minus 9 over 2x minus 5 over 2. What I've done here, I've just put the 2 outside or remove the modulus sign just to make it easy. So completing the squares, we're going to get 2 into x minus 9 over 2 is 9, minus 9 over 4, divide this by 2, and complete the squares. Then minus 5 over 2 minus 9 over 4. So I've got y is equal to 2 into x minus 9 over 4 to the square, minus 5 over 2, minus 9, this one should be squared, so that's minus 2.5, minus 81 over 16, let's give us this much, and times 2. So that's 121 minus 121 over 8. So therefore we've got a maximum point. No, it's a minimum point, because the curve, this is positive. So I got the minimum point as 9 over 4 and 121 over 8. Now, because we're taking the modulus of the curve, so we're going to take 9 over 4 and then 121 over 8. Because remember, we're taking the mod of the function. So 9 over 4 is approximately, let's see here, 9 divided by 4, I'm getting 2.25. So 2.25 and then 121 over 8. That's 15.1. 2.25, which is somewhere here, and then 15 is somewhere, let's say somewhere here, or somewhere here. Alright, somewhere here. Okay, so then I need to solve the equation. If you solve this equation, okay, what you're going to do, so 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 is equal to 0. So it's your factors. So I got 2x, I get x, I get 5, 1, negative 9, so negative 5 plus 1. So that's giving me x as negative half, and then x is equal to 5. So negative half and 5 is, it's a negative half here. I got 5 somewhere here. And I want to know where it crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the y-axis where x is equal to 0. So what we're going to say is that also when x is equal to 0, you just put 0 here, 0 here is going to be minus 5. So y is going to be equal to minus 5. But the mod of minus 5 is 5. So we're going to take 5, let's say 5 is somewhere here, okay, this is about 15 something, alright, and so your curve is going to go like this. Say somewhere like this, let's say so we're saying this is how you can sketch your curve, showing all the coordinates of and the points of intersection with the axis. The second part of the question, find the values of k for which this modulus, this curve here, is equal to k has exactly 2 solutions. Exactly 2 solutions. Now when we say 2 solutions, one is here, one is here. This is the line y is equal to 0. So this is where k is equal to 0, because we know that this is y and y is k. So the first value I'm going to say is going to be equal to, for the second part, okay, second part of the question, I would say k is equal to 0. And the next time when we've got two solutions is above this point here. If you draw any line here, this is y again, okay, but this point here is the maximum point, okay, and that maximum point turns out to be 121, it's 15.1 or something, 121 over 8, this was it. Okay, so we know that here y is 121 over 8. So beyond that point, if you draw any line beyond that point, you're going to get an intersection here, you're going to get exactly two solutions. So satisfying this condition, so we're going to say k is greater than this value, 121 over 8, because it's above this value here that any line will cross the curve at two places, giving exactly two solutions. So here we are. Take care.